Great White Snow 2024. A little bit of drift in here. Look at that. Oh, woohoo. Jump, Mia. Yeah. Oh.
I'm like swimming in a pillow.
Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Woo! So this is our road. I don't think I would have made it to work today if I had to. Plow hasn't even gone by once. Woo! Oh yeah. We got snow up the wazoo. Look at this beautiful lady out here. Look at her. This is all the snow we got in the last day. This is not 2 days. This is 1 day overnight. She can't see me. Hey, babe. Hey, babe.
Get the heck away!
Look at this beautiful babe. She's doing, look at this work she's doing. Look at that. Look at that work she's doing. Oh. Ah. Beautiful job. Beautiful job. Well, just got a little bit of snow. Kids were playing in it already, so you can't tell. But yeah, that was as tall as that. Almost as tall as my car, the drift there. Crazy. Pushing some snow.